So I think the 2D game is coming along pretty well. I've got the main menu, which has really nothing on it right now, but I'll add Game Center and something. I don't know. We'll see what we add to the main menu. Then we have a level select menu, and that's more useful. You can select actual levels, and depending on which level you select, you actually do get different tile sets. So different layout of the level you have to traverse. The levels aren't very much right now. It's more of just, I was getting it, so I had some yellow blocks that represent coins, red blocks represent enemies, and then brown blocks represent ground. And those are all getting made programmatically because I was having issues with scene kit or sprite kits, visual editor, tile map editor. It seemed inconsistent and bothersome, so I ditched that. Tried to do like a SK tile map programmatically, and I was running into issues, just kind of wasn't having a lot of luck. I was like, yo, screw it, I'll come up with a different solution. Don't know if it's the best, but seems to perform fine on the simulator and on my phone. I get some levels laid out. I'll test it out with my kids' phones, which are just glorified iPod touches right now. They're like 5 or 6 years old. I don't know. They're a little bit older, so if they run good there, I'm happy. so yeah, got that figured out, and I think I'm at the point now when you run into it, when an enemy runs into you, you die. So I need to have like a game over end screen. I need to have like a pause screen. I need to have like a success screen once you get to the end. So I also need to like put just another tile in there that's like end when you encounter that, congratulations. And then right now the levels are a class. So like the level is like name, ID, high score. Oh, the level array. So I have like a 2-dimensional array, which contains, all my level, all of my, so it's like an array of arrays, and each array in that 2-dimensional is like, it's a ground, it's empty, it's an enemy, a coin, the next row, and so forth. Yeah, I think that's all that's there. Anyway, those are classes instead of structs. That is because I'm going to use Swift data for data persistence, so I can, save high scores for individual levels, like enemies killed. I don't know if maybe I'll take that out. I don't know if I'll have like where you can kill enemies in this, or if they just kill you. Not sure yet. Anyway, like high score and like is the level unlocked, things like that will be saved using Swift data, and then I'll be able to update the little lock icons I have on some of the levels. Because right now it's just hard-coded to true or false. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably missing a few things, but I think those are the big things. And then I would start working on actual art and sound. And yeah, what is today? The 4th or the 5th? Today is the 5th, so yeah, I've got 25 days left to get a game out. And then I will move on to February being my first, hopefully, 3D game. Which I've already started on and is already kind of working, so hopefully I can get that going in February, because I only have 28 days in February. But yeah, I think I'm feeling pretty good that I can get this done. The levels I figured out, it's kind of like Mario Run, so you're constantly moving forward. But I'm built out a level where it's just there's no enemies, so I can just see it going, and I tap occasionally to jump. I mean, that doesn't really affect anything. But with the current speed and the tiles I have set up, I have it set up so about 1,500 tiles. Seems to be about just over 3 minutes, 3 minutes 20 seconds. And I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, maybe I'll have to play some Mario, but I'm like, I feel like a 3-minute level is pretty good. Maybe it'll be a little shorter, maybe a little longer, I don't know. But I think I'm gonna be around that 3-ish minute, hopefully. And if I have 18 levels, that's almost an hour. It's like 54 minutes. So, and then that's if you just get it right the first time. Hopefully the levels are a little challenging. Trying to figure out definitely got to figure out how to design some good levels. But yeah, I'll play around with that, and then hopefully have about an hour long gameplay of a simple one-tap platformer that's Steamboat Willie themed. I don't know if I said this, I'm gonna call it Steamboat Jump. And from my understanding, I think legally I'll be fine doing that. Obviously, I'm not gonna use any trademarked names like the names of mice or anything. But anyway, that's the update. Hopefully it wasn't too rambly, but thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned. I still don't know what to say how to end these videos, but have fun. Thanks.